Hello my dear friend, if you decide to hide photos on your Android phone, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, you will learn hide photos on Android. So let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, open the Google Photos app and make sure you can use the updated version of the app. After the app is open, you can see all of the photos and videos saved listed there. Simply find the exact photo if you want to hide. For example, I am hide this photo. Simply tap on hold the image. After the image is selected, locate at the bottom menu bar. Here you can scroll through the page and see various options. Find the move to lock folder or similar name your phone. Click on it, then confirm by tap on move button and wait to complete the process. And that is how you can easily hide photos on your Android phone. However, if you are decide to access the hidden photo your Android phone, don't worry. To do it, simply tap on the collection option at the bottom. In the page, scroll through the menu and locate the lock folder option. Once you found them, tap on it. Then verify to enter your phone screen password or fingerprint unlock if available. Here you can see all of the hidden photos listed there. That's it. You are done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.